blessing. Abstract na lang. Hoy! Maganda na, oh. Congratulations. Ngayon pa lang. Ngayon pa lang, may mga on-the-spot artists para sa birthday. Happy, ha? Okay, next draw. Draw your hair. Dito gumaganda at gumagwapo. Mga, ano natin. Okay, wala. Ayan. Okay na rin yan. Don't worry. Well, here. Come on, here, oh. Lumutang yung mata. Next draw. Draw your lips. Go. Bitig. Hoy! May hawig ka? May hawig ka? Naghawig ka ba? Okay, next draw. Draw your leg. Alright. Very good. Alright, so now, next draw, last draw. May bibig na ba? Parang walang meron na. Lips or tit. Last tit. Hanapin nyo kayo. Hanapin nyo. Siyempre. O, lumabas. 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 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Everybody in the car, so come on down. Oh, very good. Alright, so at the count of 3, pwede nyo tignan. And 1, 2, 3, go! Okay, wow, ang ganda ng nasa, ang ganda ng drawing. Ito po, ang ganda ng drawing. Just kidding. Okay, so ganito po, listen, guys, kung paano sila mananalo, audience impact, okay? Okay, contestant number 1, check natin. Wow. Uy, maganda ma'am. Maganda ma'am. Number 2. Number 3. Gaganda naman. Okay guys, audience impact. Palakasan ng palakpak. Okay, cool. Alright, so now, everybody clap your hands for contestant number 1, Ate Peachy! Ang dami ko magalang si Ma'am Peachy. And si Ma'am Joy! Ang dami ko magalang si Ma'am Joy. Kala ko naman si Ate Peachy na. And contestant number 3, si Ma'am! Eh, magkakamag-anak pala ito mga ito eh. Ako lang pala yung diya ito dito. Hindi, just kidding. Everybody